Hi, I'm going to explain the 5 different electron domain geometries using balloons. I'm going to try. We're going to see if this is going to work. Um, so the 5 molecular geometries are, I'm going to say these wrong and I'm so sorry. There's linear, trigonal planar, tetrahedral, trigonal bipyramidal. And then the octahedral. So I'm so sorry. The linear structure is the 2 electrons obviously make a line. Um, the linear structure is the 2 electron domain structures that produce a linear molecule. And then for the trigonal planar compound, that consists of a central atom, which would be in the middle. All these have a central atom. And this one consists of the 3. So let's see if we can stick them together. So we've got 3. 3 atoms. They're arranged in a triangular pattern around a central atom. And then the 4 atoms, which are next. Let's see, we'll put the big one on top. The 4 atoms are all on a flat plane, which is this, and then this one goes on top. Oh. Ta-da! This is the tetrahedral geometry. And then that's with the 4 bonds and no lone pairs in the molecule's central atom and creates the pyramid shape. So this one's the pyramid shape. The tetrahedral is the pyramid. And then we have the trigonal bipyramidal geometry. That one is bipyramidal, bipyramid, trigonal bipyramidal geometry with 5 electron domains. That one's the formation with molecular geometry with the atom at the center and 5 more atoms at the corners of a triangular bipyramid. Stay. Here's the camera. Ta-da! Oh, it's falling apart. And then the last one is the octahedral molecular geometry, also called the square bipyramidal. And that one, it's tricky. See if I can pick this up. So it's also called the square bipyramidal. This describes the shape of the compounds with 6 atoms, and they're symmetrically arranged around a central atom. It's gonna be like ta-da! Turn all the way around. All right. And that was all of them. And I'm so sorry for pronouncing them wrong, but that was fun. Thank you.